Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones JBL Tune 125 TVS. To make a hard reset, press and hold for two buttons on your headphones for at least 5 seconds. Cool. Now close the case, then click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget this device, forget device. Now open the case, and click on your headphones. And we just did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!